Welcome to our palm oil factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how palm oil is produced, from fresh fruit bunches to refined oil.
Check this one, it's bruised.
Yeah, send it back. We need to maintain quality standards.
The sterilization process uses high-pressure steam to soften the fruit, significantly improving the efficiency of oil extraction.
Every shipment is tested before export worldwide.
And that's how palm oil is made, from fresh palm fruits to one of the world's most widely used oils.